Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Little has changed in the last 24 hours for the Australian dollar, while the US dollar consolidates around 102.1030. At present, market participants are waiting for this Friday's US Fed's preferred inflation gauge, that is the personal consumption expenditures price index, which could give us a little bit more clue on how the Fed is seeing inflation and in terms of whether we will get another rate hike of 25 base points in the next meeting. Looking at the technicals though, the market has buckled for the Australian dollar, so any renewed up test should fail towards the 67 figure 35 area, and therefore I feel there will be much weight on the support, and they're looking towards either 66.5 to around 65.90 as a potential target before rebounding. The market was a little bit hesitant taking the challenge to the upside. As I mentioned, the dollar index consolidates around that 102 area. Now looking at present, we could see a further pullback and retreat from the area of 108.60.65 and look down towards 107.35 as the initial target and reassess. The reason why I view from that level is we may get a rebound and therefore see another upside challenge. Moving on to dollar yen, the market surged overnight and reaches its objective of 132 and now looks ahead to 134.50.80 as a potential target. A very strong candle that came through following from that dragonfly doji, and as well the hammer that came through also supports this move. Firming technicals, therefore any retreat should be shallow around that 132.10 support. Sterling a little bit weaker into the Wednesday session and now looks for a slight pullback as we go into the Thursday and are waiting for the European session to open. Therefore, we could look down towards the region of 122.80 to 121.85 where the base holds before any rebound. Technicals have buckled slightly, but keep an eye on that midway point just in case we see a break. Gold a little bit weaker and at present still remaining towards the target of 1,935 to 36 after 3 attempts at that 2,000 level failed. Keep an eye on this region as we could see another bounce, but it is a key point, so the market will weigh on this level and if breached could open a way back towards 1,900. Finishing up with oil, the market reached its topside objective of 74 and now puts a slight pullback in play before any rebound. I feel the market could get to around 71.5 and then back to that top side, so I won't be abandoning it as of yet, which is seen around 74.30.40. Well, that wraps it for the day. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday port, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.